we are taking the last and the final part of ethics topic, which is called as applied ethics. We have already discussed in the beginning that ethics is classified into main three branches. The first one is meta ethics, the second one is normative ethics, and the third one is applied ethics. And I have told you that we will deal with applied ethics separately. Okay, so what is mean by applied ethics? That is the actual application of ethical principles in our life. Okay, so it is the most important branch of ethics amongst the three major branches. Okay, so among meta ethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics, the most important is applied ethics. Why? Because simply the reason for studying meta ethics and normative ethics is to apply ethical principles in life. Okay, so we can say we study meta and normative only to apply them. Okay, now it deals with the ethical questions specific to a profession or a practical field. This is the most important, which is related to us, that we apply ethical principles in any practical field or any profession. So, okay, so it deals with the ethical questions that arise in any profession or practical field. Further, applied ethics is distinguished from the meta ethics, which concerns the nature of moral statements. We have already studied that meta ethics deals with the nature of moral statements. Simply, what is morality, what is ethics, what is value, what is religion, and so on, which is all included in meta ethics. So applied ethics is not that, because it relates to the ethical question specific to a profession. Similarly, applied ethics is distinguished from normative ethics, which concerns what people should believe to be right or wrong. This we have already studied, that normative ethics deals with what is right and what is wrong. Okay, and applied ethics relates to the ethical questions specific to a field. Okay, so here we have just taken an introduction of applied ethics, that is, it is the most important branch. Secondly, it relates to the practical ethical questions. It is different from meta ethics and it is different from normative ethics. Now what I will do is I will take one by one all the important ethical issues that arises in profession and specifically to engineering profession. Okay, so the next part will relates to the ethical issues of engineering profession. Thank you.